Roots dig deep where the waters go. Life keeps rising, though the winds may blow. A seed in the dark knows the sun. The battle ain't over till the peace is won. Roots vibration flow, carry me slow. Through the fire, through the rain, where the truth will grow. Roots vibration flow. Let the rhythm show. The higher we climb, the deeper we know. Oh. Mountains whisper to the restless sea. Patience is the key to eternity. The earth will teach you if you take it slow. Every scar is a map of the love you show. Oh, the river bends but never breaks. Oh, the heart it mends, the journey it takes. Roots vibration flow, carry me slow. Through the fire, through the rain, where the truth will grow. Roots vibration flow. Let the rhythm show. The higher we climb, the deeper we know. Wisdom moves in circles, not in lines. Time's a teacher, it rewrites the signs. Freedom is a dance, not a place to find. The rhythm of the roots is the rhythm of the mind. the sons of Zion, marching on and on. We are the sons of Zion, standing strong till dawn. Shadows fall, but the fire burns. Lessons lived and lessons learned. Every star tells a story untold. Truth is more than silver or gold. Hear the call deep in your soul. Feel the pull to make you whole. We are the sons of Zion.